Namaste everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to develop critical thinking skills. Developing critical thinking skills is essential for navigating the complexities of the modern world. From making informed decisions to analyzing information critically, honing these skills empowers individuals to become more effective problem solvers and decision makers. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various strategies and techniques to cultivate critical thinking skills. Introduction to critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information to form well-reasoned judgments or decisions. It involves actively engaging with ideas, questioning assumptions, and considering alternative perspectives. Critical thinkers are adept at identifying biases, logical fallacies, and misinformation, enabling them to make informed choices and solve problems effectively. The importance of critical thinking. 1. Decision making. Critical thinking facilitates better decision making by enabling individuals to assess the reliability and validity of information. 2. Problem solving. It enhances problem-solving skills by encouraging systematic analysis and creative thinking. 3. Effective communication. Critical thinkers can articulate their thoughts clearly, engage in constructive dialogue, and persuade others through reasoned arguments. 4. Resilience. They are more resilient in the face of challenges, as they can adapt to new information and perspectives. 5. Empowerment. Critical thinking empowers individuals to question authority, challenge conventional wisdom, and advocate for change. Strategies for developing critical thinking skills. 1. Ask questions. Encourage curiosity by asking open-ended questions that prompt deeper reflection and analysis. 2. Evaluate evidence. Teach individuals to assess the credibility, relevance, and accuracy of sources to distinguish fact from opinion. 3. Consider alternative perspectives. Encourage empathy and intellectual humility by considering different viewpoints, even those that challenge one's beliefs. 4. Practice active listening. Develop active listening skills to understand others' perspectives fully and engage in meaningful dialogue. 5. Socratic questioning. Employ the Socratic method to stimulate critical thinking by asking probing questions that challenge assumptions and encourage deeper reflection. 6. Analyze arguments. Break down arguments into premises and conclusions, identify logical fallacies, and evaluate the strength of the reasoning. 7. Seek feedback. Welcome constructive feedback to identify blind spots, biases, and areas for improvement. 8. Develop metacognitive skills. Foster metacognition by encouraging individuals to reflect on their thinking processes, identify cognitive biases, and adjust their strategies accordingly. 9. Practice problem solving. Engage in activities that require analytical thinking, such as puzzles, brain teasers, and real-world problem-solving scenarios. 10. Cultivate creativity. Foster creativity by encouraging individuals to explore unconventional solutions and think outside the box. Challenges and pitfalls. 1. Confirmation bias. The tendency to seek out information that confirms one's existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory evidence. 2. Overconfidence. Excessive confidence in one's abilities or judgments, leading to errors in reasoning and decision-making. 3. Cognitive biases. Various cognitive biases, such as anchoring bias, availability heuristic, and hindsight bias, can distort judgment and impede critical thinking. 4. Emotional reasoning. Allowing emotions to influence reasoning processes, leading to irrational conclusions and decisions. 5. Groupthink. The tendency for group members to conform to consensus views, suppressing dissenting opinions and critical thinking. 6. Information overload. The abundance of information can overwhelm individuals and make it challenging to discern relevant from irrelevant information. 7. Misinformation and disinformation. False or misleading information can undermine critical thinking by distorting perceptions and shaping beliefs. Now let's talk about its application in real life. 1. Professional settings. Critical thinking skills are highly valued in various professions, including business, law, healthcare, education, and technology. 2. Personal development. Cultivating critical thinking skills enhances personal development by promoting intellectual growth, resilience, and adaptability. 3. Civic engagement. Informed citizens who can critically evaluate information are essential for a healthy democracy, as they can make informed decisions and hold leaders accountable. 4. Global citizenship. Critical thinking fosters global citizenship by promoting empathy, cultural understanding, and the ability to navigate diverse perspectives. 5. Lifelong learning. Critical thinking is a lifelong pursuit, as individuals continue to refine and apply their skills in different contexts and throughout various stages of life. Conclusion. Developing critical thinking skills is an ongoing process that requires dedication, practice, and self-reflection. By adopting strategies such as asking questions, evaluating evidence, considering alternative perspectives, and practicing active listening, individuals can enhance their ability to think critically and navigate the complexities of the modern world effectively. In doing so, they become empowered to make informed decisions, solve problems creatively, and engage in meaningful dialogue with others. Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue exploring the knowledge about personality development in future episodes. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.